test whether it smudges or not. Absolutely transfer proof. Hello my beautiful YouTube family, welcome to another vlog. Now today in this video I'm going to share an natural makeup, an organic makeup which you can apply and you can sleep it on with it without the fear of any chemical or any reaction onto your skin. In fact, this makeup will increase the elasticity and give goodness to your skin. So this is like a makeup with skincare. And I've just washed my face. I've not even applied any moisturizer yet because I wanted to show you the product that I'm going to apply onto my face, onto my skin. So this skincare makeup, this organic product contains only one ingredient, and this ingredient is beetroot. So what you need in this is just simple beetroot. You boil your beetroot for salad purpose. You must be all eating beetroots in your daily life, so you have to boil the beetroot. Now I have boiled over here 3 beetroots. Okay, so whenever you boil, there is always a liquid which is there, which settles at the bottom of the vessel. So this is the liquid that I have separated. Okay, so this is the liquid of the beetroot. So there are 2 ways of applying this onto your skin to give that glowy and makeup like effect. Now if you are about to visit someone's house, or if you are at home and someone is coming to visit you, or there's going to be a house party and you're absolutely not in a mood to apply any makeup, but you still want to look presentable, even if there are days you don't even feel like applying any lipstick, you're super tired and still you want to look presentable. So this is the hack that you can do. And if the party goes long enough, up till the midnight, there is no fear of even washing your face, because there is absolutely no toxin and no chemical onto your face, no makeup, but people will feel that you have applied makeup. So this actually looks like you have done makeup. Okay, so nothing onto my face, absolutely clean face. So take a beetroot which is boiled. Now what I've done, it I have cut it into half. So this is one beetroot which is boiled. Okay, so I've cut it into half. Okay, so the inside part you can also use it for eating purpose, because it's not that bad. After putting onto your face, you can still wash it up and eat it, so you're not throwing or doing some wastage of the vegetable or the fruit. Okay, so you have to just dab it. Okay, put your nail into this, let the juice squeeze out, and then dab it. Can you see my lips? Immediately brighten up. Okay, and this stays. Do not feel like that if you'll drink something or if you'll eat something, this will go off. Absolutely not. Have you ever cut beetroot and then you wash your hands, even with soap? Many girls, many ladies will agree to me, the tin doesn't go off. As you can see, the tin still stays after washing your hands, right? So here, even if you drink anything or even if you eat anything, this will still stay. So don't feel that this is not smudge proof and waterproof. This is smudge proof and waterproof, but not up to 6 hours and 12 hours, but at least up to 4 hours. Okay, so you can manage. This is natural and organic. Please do not absolutely expect that this is going to give you 100% results with those of chemical products, but 4 hours is also not bad. Okay, so do that. Okay, there is one more method. As I told you, when you've taken out the water, dip your finger and you can apply. This will give you more color than from the beetroot, because water has more tint and more pigmentation. So if you want to go on a lighter side, you can just take the fruit and do it. If you want more color and tint, you can use this. Also, there are many YouTubers and there are many influencers who have created this beetroot tint. They put Vaseline, they put aloe vera gel, and they store it in a container up to 10 days or 15 days. I feel there is no absolutely need for that. You just need this one ingredient. You absolutely do not need any base for it, because beetroot itself has staying power. As you can see, this has dried up. How much ever I wipe this off, this will not go. This is dried up. Okay, and then you put aloe vera, you put Vaseline, and you store it up. Why to make it tedious? It's so simple. This will not go off. Okay, this also, if you rub, this will not go off. Okay, this stays onto your lips. Now the next thing is that you can make a blush out of this. Okay, so if you want to go on a lighter side, you can use this and just, if you want to go on a heavier side, take the liquid. Okay. So this is like a proper tint that you get nowadays in the market. Okay, see the effect.
I'm not added anything, no aloe vera, no moisturizing cream, no Vaseline, no oils, nothing. People add so many things and then they store it up and I don't know, there is no need. I actually found there is no need and it just dries up. This is so beautiful. I love about the beetroot is that it dries up. So again, I'll do it on this side for you. If you want to go overboard, if you want to look, that pinky and glowy and dewy, you can go overboard also. Okay, make sure that you nicely uh, spread it before it dries. Okay, you can also use beauty blender. It is completely all right, but I'm in fear that the color of the beauty blender will change and washing the beauty blender again is a task. So I use my fingers. Okay, you can go overboard also, guys. You cannot even make out that this is a beetroot or this is some expensive cosmetic that you have applied. Okay, again a little bit over here because I've done dark over here to match with that side. Done. Okay. Okay. Next for the eyeshadow, I again do it with the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, for the lighter shade, you can use this beetroot. If you want to go a little bit overboard, take the solution from this. Okay, little less, and then on your eyelids. On the side of my eye. You can build up the color as and when you want. If you want to go a little bit darker, apply very light solution of the beetroot and build it on eventually. Okay, let the first layer dry up, then apply the second layer, then the third layer as I did for my cheeks. Rather than putting a lot of at one time, don't do that. Build it up. So building is the key. Okay, as you can see here, it is a little bit darker. So match it up on both the sides. Okay, little bit on my nose, cheeks, I'm done, chin. Okay, I feel I can still build up my lips. And there you go. You're done with your natural makeup. And this will stay. Okay. I think this looks very much presentable. It even looks natural. Okay. You can a little bit down tone.
So let us see the pigmentation of this and the product that I have created, that is from the beetroot extract. Let us check out onto my hands. So I'll take a little bit of this product. Okay. So this is the pigmentation. Let's go a little more. I'm really rubbing into it. Okay, so this is the pigmentation that you get from any market lip balm or lip tint or cheek tint, and that from the solution. I'm using another finger. Okay, just taking a little bit, only 2 drops, 2 to 3 drops. I'll allow it to dry so then you can compare live in this video. Till the time my makeup, I mean the organic makeup, is also dried up onto my face, and I'm going to do a test whether it smudges or not. Absolutely transfer proof. This beetroot solution that I've created from my own kitchen is transfer proof. Okay, doesn't come off. Trust me guys, it doesn't come off. There is no need of adding anything into this. Okay, let this dry up. Can you even make out any difference? Okay, this side is from the branded product, the lip balm from Payal Sinha, and this is the solution, only the plain solution of the beetroot. You can hardly make out the difference. I hope you like my video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.